A mechanic with 26 years of experience revealed something impressive to me. There are 5 specific F-150 years where I see original engines running 500,000 miles. Not rebuilt engines, not replaced engines, original factory engines. These years simply don't die. Subscribe, you'll want to know which 5 years are immortal. 26 years working exclusively on F-150s. He's seen thousands of engines, thousands of rebuilds, thousands of failures. In these 5 years, original engine to 500,000 miles. Simply don't die. First immortal year, 1999 with 4.6-liter Triton V8. 99 4.6? I have 3 clients right now over 500,000 miles. Original engine never opened. This year simply refuses to die. Why? 99 was first year of modern Triton. Ford built this engine absolutely robust. Simple design, strong parts, zero complex electronics. Owner's report, my 99 has 530,000 miles. Factory engine, just oil every 5,000. Never stopped. 99 4.6. Immortal engine, second immortal year, 2002 with 5.4-liter Triton V8. 2002 5.4. I see these original engines with 480,000, 500,000, 520,000 miles constantly. They don't die. 2002 was 5.4 sweet spot. Before 2004 spark plug problems. Refined, tested, proven engine. Owners say, my 2002 has 490,000. Engine never touched. Original transmission. Runs like new. 2002 5.4. Refuses to die. Third immortal year. 2009 with 5.4-liter Triton 3-valve. 2009 5.4 3V. Ford had fixed everything by this point. I see original engines with 380,000, 400,000, beyond. Complete original. 2009 was mature year. Ford had years of feedback. Fixed phaser problems. Improved timing chain. Bulletproof engine. Like if you're discovering F-150 years with engines that literally don't die. Owners confirm. My 2009 has 370,000. Factory engine. Zero problems. Immortal. Fourth immortal year. 2012 with 5.0 Coyote V8. 2012 Coyote. These early ones are hitting 300,000, 350,000, 400,000. Original engine. On track to 500,000 no doubt. 2012 was second Coyote year. Ford had refined from 2011. Modern engine built to last. Owners tell me, my 2012 has 320,000. Engine never opened. Accelerates like brand new. Will hit 500,000 easy. Fifth immortal year. 2016 with 3.5-liter second-generation EcoBoost. 2016 3.5 Gen 2. Early ones are hitting 200,000, 250,000. Original turbos. Original engine. Proving they'll go 500,000. 2016 was mature EcoBoost. Ford fixed everything. Durable turbos. Perfect cooling. Built for longevity. Owners who tow heavy. My 2016 has 230,000 towing every weekend. Perfect turbos. Perfect engine. Going long. 5 years that don't die. 99, 2002, 2009, 2012, 2016. Original engine, 500,000 miles. Which do you have? Comment year plus miles.